If your thermostat is incompatible with your HVAC system, you're going to have a rough time getting it to work right, so make sure you check compatibility before installing. Alright, so first off, always look up your HVAC systems model before buying a thermostat. You want to make sure the thermostat supports your heating and cooling setup, whether it's a heat pump, furnace, or central air. Don't just grab any smart thermostat off the shelf because some need specific wiring or voltage. Next, check if your system uses a common wire, often called the C wire, because many thermostats need it for power. If you don't have one, you might need an adapter or a different thermostat that doesn't require a C wire. Also consider whether your system uses single-stage or multi-stage heating and cooling bowers. Some thermostats only handle single-stage, so they won't give you full control. When in doubt, read the thermostat's compatibility guide or hit up the manufacturer's website to avoid surprises. Finally, if you're switching from an old thermostat, snap photos of your wiring before disconnecting anything. It helps when matching wires on the new unit. One of the biggest mistakes people make with thermostat and HVAC compatibility is ignoring the wiring setup. If your thermostat needs a C wire and you don't have one, it won't power up properly, so either add the wire or pick a battery-powered model. Another common issue is buying a thermostat that doesn't support your system type, like getting a heat pump thermostat for a standard furnace. Double-checking system specs before purchase. Lastly, some folks overlook multi-stage systems and get thermostats that only handle one stage, which means your heating or cooling won't run efficiently. Make sure your thermostat matches the number of stages your HVAC supports. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners by connecting them with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to home upgrades like thermostats. Contractors get a steady flow of work through the site, making it easier to find clients who need their expertise.